You can do this practice no matter where you are and no matter what time of day it is. Know that it can have a greater impact if you are outside, if you're somewhere where there's people, animals, nature, stars, a lake, a mountain, a tree. This will be a little bit better for sure than staring at a wall inside of your home. Looking out of the window is also a valid choice. Begin by taking a few deep breaths. Settle into your body and let your gaze drift outwards. Take in all that you see. And as you do, ask yourself, what does out there have to tell me about what is happening in here? In here being inside of you. As you feel into this answer, keep asking this question over and over again. And notice as you do, and really feel the interdependence of all things, the interconnectedness of all things, and that what is within is without. What is without is within. What is above is below. What is below is above. Notice what you can discover about yourself as you look at your perception of the world as a reflection of your internal landscape. What do you discover? What do you learn? And how does your relationship to the world around you change? There is no right or wrong way to do this. Just open up and explore. What does how you perceive the world have to tell you about what is within you? Once you feel complete here, knowing you can always end the meditation here and do the next part separately, or do them together. And if that is the case, then now is the time to start wondering, how does the world experience you? Notice that to quite a large degree, you can control this, you can work with this, you can make changes. What experience is the world having of you right now? Think of the ground beneath you. Think of any people or animals or plants in your surroundings. Think of your home. Think of your town, a forest, the ocean. No matter what your belief system, suspend all disbelief for a moment and view everything as sentient and capable of having an experience of you. How does it make you feel about yourself? Are there any changes you want to make? Or any inspiration you feel wash over you? Explore this for as long as you like, wherever you like, and whenever you like. We hope you share your discoveries with us in the comments below, and that this meditation, this practice is of benefit and service to you, your life, and all the lives you touch. practice is now complete.